Yo, what's going on everyone? It's Dave here from D&J Studios. Jack will be joining us later. And today I'm here to start a brand new series where myself and Jack will go around the southwest exploring old disused and abandoned railways. Today we're going to be doing the old line between Wadebridge, where I'm stood now, and Bodmin North. Now the station here at Wadebridge was originally opened on the 4th of July 1834 by the Bodmin and Wadebridge Railway. However, when the Bodmin and Wadebridge Railway became bankrupt, the station and the line was taken over by London and South Western Railway. Now Wadebridge itself at this time became a junction, with the LSWR trains from Oakhampton actually running down to meet the station here. Now, the station then in the grouping became part of the Southern Railway / Great Western Railway, as the two companies operated services from here to Bodmin North, Bodmin Road, now Bodmin Parkway, and to Exeter via Oakhampton. On the 30th of January 1967, this station was closed for passengers, and of course buses then took over. But on the 2nd of September 1978, the entire line was closed to goods traffic. So, let's go up the line and see which other stations exist. So I'm quite out of the way of Wadebridge now, and I wanted to show you this gate because there's as you can see, there's a bridge, or like the remains of a bridge. This is because this is where the line used to diverge. So of course, down the modern day camel trail, that is going down to Bodmin. Well, it's going down to Bodmin, but this way, this used to be the cross-country route. So this is where you'd go to sort of North Cornwall, and all the stations like Bude and Bude, and then on to places like Tavistock and Oakhampton. So I'm going to carry on, and we'll probably see you at the next station. As you can see, we have made it to the shooting range platform, which is the next station along the line from Wadebridge. Now, the station was built in the around 1880. However, some sources that you'll look at date it from 1885. Now, train stopping here along this platform, which I'm currently standing at, we're stopped here with written permission from the British Army. Sort of was mainly used during the First World War. However, services and things carried on stopping here until 1947. And actually that is going to bring the end to our video. I know it was a very short one, but this is sort of very much the pilot episode, just to sort of test things out and see how it all edits and things like that. So what I'm just going to say is thanks very much, and if you do like the videos, let us know in the comment section down below. Is there anything we can improve on? Let us know. But if you did enjoy it, please do leave a like. Comment all the changes you want to see. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss when we upload a video. So that's all from myself, and I'll see you later. Bye.